All right, let's talk about extinctions. Now, there have been about 6 or 7 extinctions in Earth's history, depending on who you ask. But the main one most people know about is when a big meteor came from space, hit Earth in Mexico somewhere, and killed all the dinosaurs. You learn about it in like 3rd grade. It's a really big thing for some reason. But that's not actually the extinction we're talking about today. Because if you look at this chart, that extinction, which is considered the Cretaceous Paleogene, or KPG extinction event, really didn't kill that many species, even though it killed most of the dinosaurs. Today, we're going to be talking about the end Permian extinction. Now this was the real deal. This extinction event actually killed over 3/4 of life on the Earth, almost wiping out life on Earth entirely, which really would have sucked, for human purposes. Basically what happened is about 250 million years ago, there was a lot of volcanic eruptions. This introduced a lot more carbon dioxide into the environment, making the air and the water a lot warmer. In addition, it made CO2 levels in the air go crazy. Went from normal levels to incredibly, incredibly high levels, causing a crap ton of things to die. About 81% of marine species and 70% of terrestrial species died during this time period, which really sucked for life on Earth as it almost completely got wiped out. However, for human purposes, it actually worked out pretty well. Because basically, when a large amount of species die like this, it creates something called a genetic bottleneck. How a genetic bottleneck works is basically you have a bunch of species living, thriving, doing whatever. However, when a mass extinction event kills most of them, the few species that are left creates a general detour or a redirection of the evolutionary history on Earth, because rather than all those species evolving, just a few of them are. So it really makes a new makeup when the Earth starts to get repopulated. Basically, when that mass extinction event happened at the end of the Permian period, it shifted the evolutionary trajectory of life on Earth more towards mammalian and terrestrial animals, which we even saw with like dinosaurs, things like that. So, at the end of the day, if you're ever feeling thankful or for your existence or the fact that humans, dogs, whatever, exist today, you can most likely thank the end Permian extinction. Anyway, that's all for today.